By 2027, your physical Dubai Nol card is going to be completely obsolete. The RTA is officially upgrading the entire public transit network to a cloud-based system. That means no more ticket lines, no more lost balances, and yes, you can finally just tap your regular bank card or phone to ride. Here's exactly how Dubai's transport is changing. Right now, the project is already 72% complete. The RTA is entirely replacing the old, card-based ticketing infrastructure with a cutting-edge account-based ticketing system. What does that actually mean for your daily commute? It means the brain of the system is moving from the physical plastic piece in your wallet to a secure, unified digital cloud account. Instead of being forced to carry a dedicated transport card, the transport network is opening its gates to everything. We are talking QR codes, smartphone digital wallets, and direct bank card payments. Phase 1 is all about QR codes. You'll be able to instantly purchase, manage, and validate your transit tickets electronically directly on your phone via digital channels. No queuing at a station kiosk required. Phase 2 introduces a new generation of Nol cards. If you still prefer a physical card, these will be upgraded with advanced global payment tech that automatically and seamlessly links to your digital customer account the moment you buy it. But this isn't just about changing how you tap. Moving to an account-based system unlocks some incredibly smart features that users have wanted for years. First up, family accounts. You'll be able to create a master account and link multiple Nol cards, like your kids' or family members' cards, to a single dashboard. From there, you can distribute top-up funds across all of them instantly. Speaking of topping up, you can finally set up automatic recharges linked straight to your bank account. If your balance dips, it fixes itself. And if you ever lose your physical card, because it's tied to your digital profile, you can instantly log in, block the card, and fully recover your remaining balance. The ultimate goal here goes way beyond just commuting. The RTA wants the new generation of Nol to function exactly like a standard bank card. That means you'll be able to use your Nol account for shopping across online digital channels and retail outlets all over the UAE. It's all part of Dubai's broader cashless strategy, turning a humble metro card into a complete, everyday digital payment platform. The finish line is set for the first quarter of 2027. So, are you ready to ditch the plastic? Or are you keeping the physical card? Let me know in the comments below, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.